Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to select and move multiple text boxes in Microsoft Word quickly and accurately. This skill is essential when working on certificates, forms, brochure, resumes, posters, templates, and design-heavy Word document. Many users move text box one by one, which often causes misalignment, uneven spacing, and wasted time. In this video, we will discover simple professional methods to select, group, and move multiple text boxes together while keeping and your layout clean, balanced, and consistent. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment document. Now I am create multiple text boxes. Go the insert menu. Click this text box option. Then choose draw text box. Now I draw a text box. Then write anything. You can write anything. Then copy the text box, press and hold Alt on our keyboard. Then we write another text. Now I write 1 2. Then write another text box. Now I make 4 text box here. Now I want to move the text box at once. At first select the first text box, then press and hold shift on our keyboard to select multiple text box one by one. Then move the text box easily. We can see we don't change the alignment or change the rules, breaks, etc. You can move it anywhere. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.